Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sanjeev Yadav, Assistant Professor Electronics and Communication Engineering at Government Women Engineering College, Ajmer. Today I am with a new topic for students that how to submit the exams or assignments using Google Classroom. Everyone having a Gmail ID or your ID associated with the Google. Now what you have to do, you have to just log in with your Google Mail ID. After login, there are two options. Either you have been invited to join the Google Classroom or you have been provided a code to join the Google Classroom. If you have been provided a code to join the Google Classroom, then you go to the Google Classroom, press on the join on the right side, provide the code, and you will be just joined to that. Another option is opening your mail ID. In your mail ID, you will get this type of invitation. Now press join and it will divert you to a new window. On the new window, you will get this type of screen that this is a class you have been joined. Just on clicking this one, again you will get another screen like this one, whatever the assignment previously that you can see here, or whatever the upcoming you can see here. Then you have to assignment you have to like this one. Then you can click on the written here and the paper is there. After clicking on the PDF, you will get the PDF on your screen, and then you do start your work, exam or assignment. After doing the assignment, you have to submit it. Then you have to click add or create. After adding or creating, you are having many of the options there. You can directly add from the Google Drive, or you can provide the link, or you can attach the file, or you have written on the soft copy, then you can create a new docs there. After creating, you can write it and then upload it. Then if PPT is there, sheets are there, drawings are there, whatever it is. But in your case, you have to click the photo, then save it on the PDF, then select the file, then it will go to upload it. After uploading, you have to click the mark as done. After that, mark as done, or you have to send give any private comment on your that anyone cannot see, only your teacher can see. Then you have to give a private comment and mark as done. After that, your assignment will be submitted. Now we comes to a live demo for this one. Then I am going to this class. Then this class will open like this one, whatever it is we can see there. After adding class, I want to open this one. Just I click on this one. I got the paper, and after clicking on this one, I can open the exam and create or add. It will again ask me whatever I have. Then at last I have to mark as done because I have not submitted. That's else I have to do the mark as done. Okay. Now this way you can see our midterm. Thank you.